Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and key levels to watch out for. Nifty after a euphoric move and hitting all-time highs. On an intraday basis, Nifty opened around 20,960, attempts a dash towards 21,000 levels and makes a intraday lows of around 20,860 to close around 20,937, positive 0.4% for the day, making a spinning top on an intraday basis. On a EOD basis, Bank Nifty opened around 47,930 zones, immediately saw a profit booking aggravating and to test the lows of intraday lows of 46,750 and close the day around 46,830 zones, negative 0.38% for the day. Looking at the derivatives data, Nifty supports placed at 20,880 followed by 20,800, resistance placed at 21,040 followed by 21,100 200 zones. Bank Nifty resistance placed at 47,000 and 47,300 levels and supports placed at 46,300 to 46,100 zones. Stock specific actions to continue. Look for quality stocks to add to your long-term portfolio for wealth creation. Hope our updates is helping the investors and traders and viewers and our subscribers in taking their investment and trading decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, do not miss to subscribe our channel for updates and interesting insights. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.